Hey guys, it's Monday morning. Today we're doing a little tile work. I've done some backsplashes and floors before, but always have kind of been the helper or had someone right beside me kind of guiding me along the whole way. So this is my first tile job solo, but it's a small bathroom and I'm feeling really good about it. Let's go get started. Got my essential pile right here. About to get it loaded up in the truck. I've also got to run by Lowe's to pick up a couple things that I forgot about, so got to do that as well. Lowe's, I can see you. Here I come. Got to pick up a couple trowels and this Sluter Detro, which is like a moisture barrier and also helps the tile not to crack. Got the key to the house. I don't think anyone's here, and the dogs are already going. Hopefully they don't bark too much today. And to all my super loyal subscribers, these floors ought to look very familiar because I made a YouTube video about them. Surprising a friend. They've held up really good and now they want me to do some tile floors. This is the floor I'm doing today. And this is the tile they got, which I actually kind of like that. It's pretty cool. First things first is I'll rip this old linoleum vinyl type floor up and the toilet, get everything cleaned up in here, get my workstation set up, and then I'll be getting started laying the flooring out. The door, so I don't want to do it. It'll just be out of the way. Another thing about this job is that I'm going to be replacing the toilet when I'm done with the tile. So I don't smell like crap anymore. One last vacuum just to make sure everything is up off the floor, then I'll be laying that Detro down with a little thin set mortar base underneath. Got the membrane down and technically it is ready for tile, but I'm going to let it set up even though it really doesn't need it while I go and get my station a little bit more organized and my cut station set up outside, so everything's ready. I'm going to start laying my tile out and kind of get an idea in my head of what we're going to be doing in here. Uh-oh. Well, you see what happened was? My outdoor cut station is set up, and that is for basically anything besides a straight cut that this bad boy right here won't take care of. As you can see, I've got my first 3 rows laid out exactly where I want it. So I'm going to start with this row right here to the left, and what I'm going to do is take all that tile up
and lay me a level right here and put some tile boxes on the side to hold the level. So I can scrape my mortar across here and then just lay this right in line with my level to keep my straight line, so all of that will stay the same. My camera died, but I've got these 2 rows set. I've already got this row cut, stacked right there, so I'm about to start laying that down, and then I'll cut in there as I go. Forgot to turn my camera on for this satisfying fit of this cut that I made earlier. And then everything else we're gonna hide with grout and quarter round. This is my cut for around the toilet, at least half of it. I have to cut the other half too. Second toilet piece is cut, ready to go down. As you can see, I've gotten the whole right side done, started laying the left side out, and I'm going to go ahead and start setting it in mortar and start working my way this way so I won't have to crawl over there when I'm done. Once I lay this tile, I'll be done and out here for the day. Keep forgetting to push record, but yeah, just did the last piece, and then of course I'm going to put the same threshold right back right here, and that'll give it a good clean finish. But about to clean all my mess up, and then before I get out of here, do one little rinse or wash on the tile just to get this big stuff up to make it easier to clean tomorrow. This is my final product for my tile today. Everything is smooth and level. Turned out really great actually. Tomorrow I'll be coming back to clean the tile and to grout it, and then another day I'll come back to run the cord around, set the toilet, and then seal it. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2, tile is set, and it looks like it was professionally laid. 'Cause it was! But yeah, first things first is get all my spacers up and then clean the tile and get it ready for grout. The grouting process is done, but now we have to clean up all the scum, and usually that takes 2 to 3 wipes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my first wipe down now. I'm pretty much done with the whole grouting process. Turned out really great. I might wipe it down one more time. It does need about a day to dry. I have some other things I'm going to do around this house today. I would like towards the end of the day to come in and do my cord around. So tomorrow all I have to do is set the toilet and then seal the tile, and I'll be done. Alright guys, I'm about to get out of here for the day. I am going to put the door on real quick. I went ahead and set the toilet just because I felt like it had had enough time to really dry and I was able to walk on it and everything. So I set the toilet. Everything's good in here except for the sealant, which I'm going to come back tomorrow and do. Hey guys, this morning did a package unit install with the guy I work for. It's 5 o'clock and I'm about to pull up to the house so I can go ahead and seal this tile. This tile and grout sealer basically puts a little layer over the tile, making it waterproof and more stain resistant. I just applied the sealer, gotta let it sit 3 to 5 minutes to soak in, and then you go wipe the excess up. If you guys didn't notice, I had this head mount on in most of this video, giving you guys a different angle. Just kind of trying to try something new. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully I didn't have it angled the wrong way, so you're not even seeing me work, but I'm pretty sure that it was angled the right way, and no, I wasn't smart enough to check. So hopefully this video turned out. I'm really happy about this job for a couple reasons. One, I'm done with it. It looked really good, and the work environment was really relaxed. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I don't need it on anymore. I didn't even realize I had it on because I got so used to it working with it on, and it's actually super comfortable. But back to the job. Yeah, it was for someone I know. I probably wouldn't do tile for someone I don't know that well, just because I'm definitely not the best at it. But I really take my time and make sure it's done to the best of my ability, which in certain environments you can kind of feel rushed or get anxious or get stressed out. And that tends to happen to me sometimes when I'm doing something that I'm not like 100% confident in or still learning how to do. So when I do things that are new to me, I like to really take my time and not get frustrated when something bad goes wrong, which I tend to do. So just the fact that I knew this person and the work environment was really just relaxed and I was able to take my time, I really enjoyed it. This video is probably going to be a little bit longer. Hope you guys stuck around to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching and keep coming back. Watch my videos, liking and commenting. Channel just got to 300. When I get to 500, I'll do a little giveaway. I don't know what that will be yet, but get me to 500. Hey, how you doing? No, he's not here yet. I'm going to keep posting weekly. You guys keep coming back and watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to get the JOBDONE. This is Dean, and I'm done.